And also I have like a toothache or something. I think it's from the ear. I don't know, but it's paining me like crazy. I just took 2 pills right now. But today is my day off, so I'm gonna take advantage of that. No worry. Screw the pain, I don't care. And I'm gonna remove this one, inspect everything, change. The idea is to make this car ready for the MOT, because that one is the most important. If I have the MOT, I'm gonna tax it, pay all the bills, and I'm gonna make it ready to go. So yeah, let's do this. Finally it's out, and finally it's out. Man, it took me some time to take this off, god damn it. But my biggest concern is I hope it's not gonna rain, because all my stuff are out. If it's gonna rain now, I'm really screwed up. So I'm just gonna try to rush. So this is the bolt, it's just breaking, it's just inside here. So I'm just gonna try to figure it out how to take this off. So of course it started to rain, and I have to move on the back. I'm gonna work on this tree here. The thing is, the problem is more complicated than I was thinking, and I have to remove this top cap of the shock, and I'm thinking just to cut it slide a little bit to make like a cut on the middle of the screw. Put a screwdriver and try to torque it. And yeah, I have to remove that one, so I'm gonna do it here under this tree. Let's see. Finally the sucker is out. Dang it, look at my palm, it's red. How many torques? I managed to screw it till it's come to the other side. Yeah, it's a little bit of damage here, but the threads are okay, so I'm not concerned about it. I have the new bolts, so let's put back the shock absorber and maybe we're gonna fit it into the car. And it's been already fitted here inside this bloody shock absorber. So I had to remove everything, the whole tire, just to replace a bolt. But yeah, these are the original bolts from Audi. I put them here, so leave it. It's running. Let's close this. The number is there. The number is here. That means one thing. The car is ready for an MOT. Actually, it was ready for an MOT. But let me show you something. We have it. We have a pass. I've been in the morning because I called the guy, and yeah, I've been there and I passed. He inspected. I also did the wheel alignment. But I've been on the motorway. I did like 20 miles. No problem. I also paid the taxes. The insurance, I'm gonna do an insurance by hour, because I also applied for an insurance by year, so I already paid that one, but it's gonna start from Monday, and from tomorrow I'm gonna be at work, so I'm not gonna use the car, so from Monday is okay. But meantime, so I just need to place this one in, put in place here. Has to best stay like this, and it's only that trim to put back, and this badge here. And also because I have the air filter, I want to change it. It looks dirty, but not that bad. There are a few tree leaves here, and you can see that this filter is filthy. Just glue it. I'm not sure how strong and how long this one is gonna last, but hopefully. Anyway, I'm gonna remove this one on the future and I'm gonna paint it. Just missing this double adhesive tape. I have the line here, lime by the way. I'm gonna replace that thing over there. Oi, Dion! Yeah, so the second badge is here. And I think we're looking much more much more better with a different color. I really don't like this chrome. But yeah, for the moment I don't have time to do this kind of job. And the windows as well. Yeah, this is the big time. The papers are on. Insurance, tax, what else? MOT, everything. She's basically legally she's ready to go. Mirrors. Oh, man. Yeah, wow, it's so smooth inside here. What can I say? Yeah, I'm just looking left and right, I'm trying to understand what's going on. Oh, now it's on drive. If I do like this, it's gonna be on sport. Oh my god, oh my god. Up there goes to the motorway. So where I am right now is a residential area, so I cannot go that fast. But let's see the motorway and go a little bit and have a small drive and see what's going on.